Hey y'all, welcome back to the studio. I just got Mikey in the mail today, Michelangelo. Just wanted to show him to you guys. I told you guys that I would unwrap him, let you guys see that. So this is him. This is the number 18. The one I showed you last time was number 19, Raphael. This is number 18, Michelangelo. Again, this is from the Nickelodeon version of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Funko Pop. This is the same as Raphael. This is the turn head ones. He doesn't have the bobble. So there's the cartoon depiction there. There's the side of the box. So we're gonna open up this thing gently. The beautiful thing about Funko Pops, and this is what I like about Funko Pops. If you want to preserve the figure, the box is so easily opened. You just, a lot of times they'll have a seal on the box, and you can just take like something sharp, like this for example. You just kind of run it in there and just kind of gently slide it over if you have a skill knife or something. And then they just easily open like that. It's great. And you can preserve the box. And you're not damaging anything. You know, it's great. So if you're one of those people that you like to keep your Funkos in the box, which I do a few of them. A few of them I don't. A few of them I like to have open on display. But here's Michelangelo still in the bubble wrap here. We're going to take this off. Now these do not come with stands. Some of the Funko Pops, especially the bobbleheads, come with the stands. These do not. These do not come with the stand. Again, these are not the bobblehead version. And as a matter of fact, Michelangelo's head doesn't even turn. And the reason for that, it looks like it's because this pizza is molded into his face, into his hand. So his head does not turn like Raphael's. So keep that in mind. This little pizza slice with the cheese going in there, it's cute. I mean, it's funny. You know, it's got these little overbites, like trying to chew the cheese off the pizza. But this is actually one of the better ones I've. It makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because it reminds me of my kid. My youngest kid. Yeah, he's just kind of putting his thumb up like this, and he's chewing on the pizza. It's really cute. It's really cute. So, but his head doesn't turn because of the pizza. He's got his thumb up here, and again, you got the shell. I don't know if you can see the detail in the shell there. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. And you got this bandana here flying to the side. And instead of holding his nunchucks are tucked right here into his belt. So you've got. He's not too bad. Not too bad detail. You got his elbow pads and his knee pads there, and his belt and nunchucks and his pizza slice he's chewing on. He's just an all around really cute figure. So there he is. Whoops, there he is, Michelangelo in the green. Put him back in the package here. And real easy to do. Super easy to do. Super easy to protect your Funko Pops. There he is, back in the pack. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll try to unwrap Donatello when I get them, and Leonardo when I get them, and show you guys how they look. Until next time, thanks for watching. Yeah, I've really got nothing else. So, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification. Hold on. Hit that notification bell so that the next time you'll be able to see when my videos pop up or something like that. Anyway, catch you guys later.